In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add members or users to ClickUp. So if you want to invite people to join your workspace, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and add them. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your ClickUp workspace and then head down here. You can see we have an option to invite. And here you are told invite users to your workspace. Now, if you click on it, you can go ahead and now enter their emails, and you can invite as many just by separating the emails with a comma, and they'll be added. You can also go ahead and invite members here. If you click on this, you can invite limited members. You can invite them as guests. You can also invite them as admin, and you can add custom roles to these members. So I can go ahead and add a member here. So there's the email. I'll go ahead and send the invitation. So the other member will receive this invitation, and all they need to do is to go ahead and accept the invite. So that's how you can invite or add members to your ClickUp workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.